First question about the biggest technology, how it will change the business in the next 5 years. It's just changing robots from normal automation in factories to more like domestic or like everyday scenarios like at hospital, retail.
From in the industrial sector, the humanoid robots will be changing from rule-based to learning-based. So it's just a simple automation, just not simple automation by program, but autonomous and smart humanoid robot can think like a man, can act like a human being, and it can be used in the industrial sector or in hospital services homes, to help people, to serve people, not just take place people, not just take their job opportunities. That's a point of the and a long-term vision of the humanoid robot industry.
Okay. And about small and medium-sized companies, how can they benefit from this technology without investing millions of dollars?
Small companies?
Small or medium-sized
companies have benefit from the humanoid robot, right? Now it's many of the societies of the countries here encounter some social, society from like lack of manpower, low birth rate. So some of the very tedious job, that can't find the employees for this kind of position. So you must need humanoid robots to do this kind of task. And for some harsh environment that is not good for human beings or dangerous for human beings, you also need this kind of human robots to do the job. So for some medium-scaled companies, human robot is worth to invest. So it's with a very quick ROI and very beneficial for their task and for how to say, it's a kind of we have to consider about the next 5 or 10 years later, we maybe have more problems of like lack of manpower, human resource, or something that is now is a reality, and in the future maybe more serious problem like that. So we need humanoid robots.
And the last question, if you could give a piece of advice to entrepreneurs who are starting their business now in the era of AI, what would it be?
Sorry, I beg your pardon?
If somebody is starting a business in 2026, when the main technologies are AI and robotics, what advice could you give them?
Advice? Just embrace embodied AI intelligence and, as sooner as possible.
That sounds, like an emergency, but it's true.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Paxini is the name. How do you pronounce your company?
Paxini.
Paxini. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Verniga Touch 101. Thank you. Touch Korea 2026. Thank you.